bluebirds, 2 red birds, 2 white birds, 4 pigs, 2 yellow birds, and 1 big bird, big black bird. This is a pig, and this is a bird. This is a mini bird. And this is a mini pig. This is the big red bird, big blue bird, big white bird, big blue bird, and the two game birds. And then very big black birds. And it's again. This is a red bird. This is a game red bird. And this is a mini red bird. This is a blue bird. This is a blue bird. And this is a mini blue bird. And a stool and a tree. This is a mini yellow bird. This is a mini game yellow bird. This is the big This is black bird. This is big white bird. This is a mini white bird. And this is a big pig. This is 2 mini pigs and a gay pig. This is Angry Birds toys game.